G'day viewers, someone asked in one of the videos, can I put two series much in series, like primaries in series and secondaries in series to make extended front block? Well, you can, but you're going to have to identify 1 inch mods. So I've tried it with this one and a smaller Panasonic one and an Architect primary, because one mod was more powerful than the other, so they have to be matched 1 inch mods from my experience. But I prefer the ballast. A ballast like that, resistive ballast, is the best. I've also took this Bukang brand adapter apart. There was just rattling around in there. Here's what I found inside. A corroded circuit board. This thing's been exposed to moisture by the looks of it. Maybe a factory near the coast or something had this thing stored in a shelf near the beach. You can see all the corrosion in it. No fuse either. There's supposed to be a fuse there. There's a big blob of solder between two jumpers where there should be a fuse. That's not good. But it's got this resistor, or this is a fuse. This is a fuse here in this heat shrink. There's a fuse inside there, so it goes between there and where this resistor goes. Live and neutral. The fuse goes here instead of being in there, but that's where the pin's going to go in. That's the main input. And it's got Samsung brand capacitors, ST rated MOSFET for switching, more Samsung capacitors. That one has a JC or something. There's an LED in there, but you don't see on the outside of this thing. You don't know that the LED is in there because there's no thing for the light to light out of that you know it's on. That's a bit smart. Nice chunky transformer, so maybe it is 3 amps or windings like that, so that's alright. It's not too badly made, but 2009, 45th week. Bit of old stock that sat in the shelf. It was sat in there for a couple of years before I bought this thing. A lot of moisture corrosion inside it. The resistor's not even mounted straight. Lots of corrosion in this thing. This thing's seen some moisture. It's actually a paper. Yeah, it's a paper circuit board. Using a cheap paper-based substrate circuit board for something like this is a big no-no. Because if this thing even somehow gets hot or moisture in it, it will carbonise and be a good short in the fire starter. And they should never make power supplies, build them on circuit boards like that. A proper power supply, if I can find one in there somewhere, has a good quality circuit board made of let's see, a bit higher quality than this one. See, this is a proper circuit board here. It's got the fiberglass substrate to it. That's a nice quality circuit board there. There's another type which is like that, but it's a little bit heavier duty. But that's what you're supposed to use for switch-made power supplies, not just some cardboard paper stuff. Big no-no. That's an absolute fire starter right there. You're using paper-based circuit board at this sort of voltage, and if it happens, this sort of fault, it's a fire hazard waiting to happen. Not a good idea. The only thing that let this down was this bloody plug. Look at the crappy sort of plug that is. Should be a solid piece in there. Everything's just elastic. Yeah, I just soldered this on last to suit the casing. It's not even really printed properly. Look at that. It's scrubbing off. It's all sticky, whatever it is on there. The smallest wires to go to this thing. But it's got a 6.3 amp fuse. That's what they're going to take, 6.3 amps at 250 volts if this thing goes short. I don't think that those wires will blow. Those wires might burn out before that fuse does. Little sort of choke there. Combination choke that'll be. Yeah, it's not too bad, but a bit cheaply made. And it's had moisture in it, not a good idea. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.